Welcome back to JoJo's farm. Thank you all, guys. Thank you, our return subscribers and our new subscribers. We say we really appreciate you all. If you haven't subscribed to this channel, please do so to subscribe to our channel and also hit the notification button so that whenever we share any video, you'll be the first to know. We really appreciate your support, comments, and your contributions as well. We really appreciate. Today I'm going to talk about issues facing the Ghanaian pig farmer. There are two issues that most Ghanaian pig farmers face, which is water and feed. But today I'm going to talk about feeding. Feeding has really gone up. It has increased about 100%, believe it or not. Feed is very expensive now. And sometimes you even go to the market, you will not get the feed unless you want already mixed feed, which is expensive and it will not even last you. Looking at how many pigs we have now at the farm, this has been an issue. And my advice to each and every farmer is that if we in Ghana are facing this issue, then it is possible that it could happen to anyone wherever you are. The cost of feed is what is really distracting, disturbing, and killing the pig farmer. Feed is a very big issue. Before we were buying feed about, let's say 120. Now the feed is about 200 Ghana, and it is even very difficult to come by them. You cannot find it anywhere, and it is always a story. It is always a story. If a bag was being sold for 120 Ghana, now it's at about 200 plus, and you can't get it anywhere. But we're always trying to subsidize, find something to, supplement the feed so that we can survive. It's not that we cannot buy, but we are not getting it. So if you know somebody who can really help us out with feed anywhere that you are in Ashanti region, especially because that is where our farm is, Greater Ashanti, please, you can leave a comment for us and we will contact you and then see how best you can help us out, because we really need the feed, the rice, and then the corn meal as well, for the pigs. We had a soya bean, but the soya bean is also expensive. We were using the wheat brown, it's also expensive now. And the wheat brown is even too expensive to the extent that, it's unbelievable. So guys, this video at the same time, I'm using this media for you who can get us some feed or connect us at a cheaper ground or cheaper price. Please contact us so that we can get some feed. And if you are about to start, if you have a farm land that you are not using and you are starting a pig farm, you can try and plant some soya bean and how you call it, corn meal and all those things that you can feed a pig on. Try and plant some. It might not be or last forever, but it will go a long way to help you out. It will go a long way to help you out. If you will not sell it, at least you will use it to feed your pigs, because these pigs eat to the standard you should always have constant meal for them. You cannot leave them to starve. If they're gonna starve, then they're gonna be very violent. That is one thing about them. Whenever they're hungry, that is when you hear them making a lot of noise. And when they make noise and nobody attend to them, then they will start destroying stuff. They will start destroying stuff. Try to jump out of the pen. Sometimes you think they cannot jump, they cannot do crazy stuff. When they are full, they are okay. But when they are hungry, guys, they will do crazy stuff. So you always have to make sure that you have enough feed to give them for them not to disturb. Guys, I am pleading with you all in the Greater Ashanti region that you try as much as you can, if you can be of help to us, and do so. Don't forget to subscribe to this channel. Help us out and let's build a family. Thank you all. God richly bless you. Watch out for our next video. Bye.